Bafowethu, hey bafowethu kuhlungu kakhulu bafowethu. Lesikole lesi akusona isikole ebengikufanele igame iphele ngaso. Igame befanele siwine le. Bafowethu, we are being robbed kakhulu. Not by uref. I don't think uref asike isinqumo engisibonile esitheni esi-affect game. Indlela udlala lapha like we can't be beaten tactically. Ake siqale la. I-approach coach was right for me, i-back four. Putting in Usbelebele, to me, it's saying Usbelebele is more good ukwenza ama-late run boxing. I'm like, okay, this means we're going to attack on the right. Hoto, siyamazi une-energy on the left. But sharp, both la bantu laba, mangabe bekhona egamini, we lose position of a ball. Uhoto on the side. There was a time where I think it was like 13 minutes or something. We were supposed to end it. I-cut back like again series. Ushaya ibhola kumdawo. And mangabe khona we lose position of a baller. We need a proper left back. I don't know. I don't understand. We lose position mangabe khona inqumo azenzayo. If izolo ubenza inqumo right, nale ball eli deflectile. Uronweni wal-saver. Lela bhola besibaningi eboxini ubenga trap libeke on the left in the shots kahle. Coming on the right, I think Usbelebele was wrong because now Van Rijn uyasilekile ukucabanga. Uma ngabe edinamba phambili uyakwazi ukuthi eboxini akwazi ukwenza ama-passes, sikwazi ukuba nama-passes kwi-half ye-opponent. Now Usbelebele wants ukuthi mangabe overlap quick clap cross yangithola ngithini. So sishayeke lapho ngishilo bafethu ukuthi we need the experience kule game. Lokho save uMbuthuma ozoba nama clear chances ageje. I think umuntu ka 15 minutes free header, it's a save. Like no, we cannot ukuba ne trackers kanjena. Mbuthuma siyamdinga but he's not ready to ukuthola iparade. Uleka i-character, uleka i-aggression, uleka i-physique, uleka i-finishing. No bafowethu, like ngishilo ukuthi lama game kanje expose abadlali abaningi. Yes, ama nerves, stage fright and kuningi okwenzakalayo. Tell me why uSiyema can't even manje athola ibhola, progressive ball aliphase ku-midfield. Uthola ibhola asho ifethash because in stage fright. So we need abadlali bethu babe ne-character because siya ku-Champions League next year. We're gonna win this league. I-league is not gone. So I want to criticize kakhulukazi coming to i-midfield. I-combination yaMakhawula noNemtanjela ayikho. Bengikhona ground in live, they don't talk at all. Abakhuluma at all. Like uthi ngihambile, no. Bahamba kanje, phambili emove. This time guys, they are pressing umkwena bowu-2. There was one time where I think Umrena obekade overlap on the right. What uzama ukujika uHoso then uNemtanjela owina ibhola waliphasa ngaphakathi ku-Apolice. And then the same incident again, uMakhawula ukwazile ukuma uNunes lapha ngakhoto kwawina ibhola. They are marking kuside elifanayo, but i-game isidla on the right. I-game ibisidla ngakusibelebele. It done what they've done. Bazofaka uMatthews befake uNunes occupy ama-channel bese kuba khona i-striker uLeon. Now uSibelebele because he lacks intelligent into ayenzayo whenever uModiba enikeza ibhola he wants to go and mark uModiba. This time emaka uModiba behind him, uMatthews is making a run. This time uSiyema eyocover uMatthews, uLeon is free. Igoli lokuqala silikhonzile ngokuthi kophi wo2 amagoli angene esadini laSibelebele kanjani. Igoli lokuqala guys, igoli lokuqala uSibisi ube left back, uHoto ube right back, uSibelebele was not a center back, ucover uSibisi uhambile left back. Angithi uTito lapha besiphushile, uTito wageja ithuba lapha. Sibelebele was supposed to track back. If ngingaphazama uyena ophasele uTito wageja. Now tactically si disjointed, uHotso ngapress lo muntu loya uzukwazi ukuphasa ibhola phasela uLeon. uLeon was befanele makuSibisi because uyena bede left back that time, but uSibisi for some reasons ulandele behind. So being like senze ingoqu eziningi kakhulu emuva, I think we're supposed to bring on Van Rijn. Angimblame ukusho ngifaka uSibelebele, but I'm just saying ukuthi uSibelebele didn't come to the party. Even second half mfethu, like abantu bebengena, there was the time where second half amake umdlali eqhamuka ngemuva, all the time is coming from behind. If kuzoba njalo, at least phambili you must see you as a wing back wenza ama-touches. Now awenzanga assist, awenzanga pass, awenzanga shot at goal, but still if umanga from behind kanjani. Okay, Nemtanjela, I don't find you a boxing. You're not making any shots, you're not making tackles. Okay, if awukwazi udlala ukuya phambili, why not ungabuyi umakise uSibelebele on the right? Tito Maswangai was playing as a striker. Like I think we're playing like if a 4-2 because Ubengadali is a number 10. You will find police coming in as a number 10, but yena beslela pressing phambili. Of which ucoach umfakele wena for sure. Ucoach wethu doesn't like our players abadlalayo. Ufuna abadlala abama-hard worker. I don't think we should have uNemtanjela noMakhawule ama-holding, sino Dlamini, sino Mbatho, Kihlapha Mbatho, benye problem, sino Mbule ngaphandle. The thing Costa, we need, it was ngicela ukutshena ngeJoel, Adams noMkwena, bese ngize kwethu. uAdams noMkwena, uAdams udlala as a number 6 mangabe be-collect, uMkwena abe i-box to box. What ama-midfielders 8 into ayenzayo? uMakhawula Nemtanjela, they're going to press umuntu oyi-1 while be-pressa bowu-2 lapha. uMatthews is free behind them. While uMatthews is free, actually Bolusiyama must go and press, and then uLeon will go on the left. Same thing enzakalile ngegoli lesibili. Igoli lesibili qhamuka ezantsi endaweni yaSibelebele. uSibelebele is going to like uSibelebele is not even pressing. Ume ngaseboxini, uApolisa ume ngawuSibelebele, uModiba ukhipha ipass. So now coach into yami ithi, we can't have ama-pivots awu-2 still sibe no-Apolisa who will come as a defender, defende uMatthews ekubeni ekhona uSibelebele. Why not sibe noSibelebele ozoma, sibe nama-pivots azosilekelela noma mhlawumbe a-1 number 6 asilekelele ungimanga if ukuthi uSibelebele uphushile amanye third side, bese sibe ne-box to box eyi-1 ezokwazi ipresse ukuze kube yona, kube uMswangayi, bese kuba uMbuthuma, sibe ne-3 phambili epressayo than ukuthi sibivuleke kanje. I-league is not gone, but amagame kanje angifazisa because siwaluza nge-character, siwaluza nge-passion, abadlali lacked passion. You saw literally uthi uMaswangayi tired ukwenza ama-run second half before aphume. uMfukeng uphethe ibhola, uMaswangayi overlap wenze ngali-run, uMaswangayi ugijima la kwi-traffic. Guys, no man, we're not supposed to lose amagame kanje. And coming in second half, coach, I'm like, put in Mbule, ukhiphe uNemtanjela, take out uTito, Umfukeng abe number 10, put in Umoremi aqhamuka on the left, attacking high up on the left. No, we need to put in Umsendama, guys. No, it is not gone, but I'm so angry. I'm so disappointed. I think about having Omakhopa ebenchini, learning at Omabasa says Bulala. We cannot have strikers. This is proven to us. Ahlale ebenchini. Oh, sincane isikhathi ngifuna ukukhuluma more. Danko.